I've got a box of Golden Flask here. It's a synthetic urine product brought to you by the makers of Whizzinator, a long-established name in the market. This one is priced at $35, so let's see if it's worth the investment. Let's open it up. So what's inside? You get a 4-ounce bottle of synthetic urine, a standard heat pack, a rubber band, and a list of instructions. Also, don't forget, I have a video where I review the best synthetic urine kits, including what to look for to pass a drug test. The link is in the description and at the end of this video. Now let's talk about the synthetic urine itself. The urine quality is good. It's designed to pass both drug tests and validity checks, and with the company being on the market for a long time, they have a solid record of positive reviews. The bottle contains 4 ounces of urine, which is more than enough for 2 tests. You can freeze the remaining urine for a second use, but keep in mind that the kit only includes 1 heat pack, so you'll need to purchase an extra one for the second round. The bottle itself is larger than all other synthetic urine kits, making it somewhat harder to conceal. It does come with a flip-up spout cap, which is really convenient. The cap is tight, so you don't have to worry about leaks while it's in your pocket. Now, let's discuss the temperature strip. The strip is large and easy to read. I always recommend double-checking with a digital thermometer to ensure accuracy. In my test, the thermometer read 95 degrees, and the temperature strip showed 94 to 96 degrees, so it's reliable and accurate. Now let's talk about the heat pack. This is where things get a little interesting. The heat pack is a generic hand warmer, and the packaging is entirely in Chinese. Doesn't look very professional, especially since the rest of the kit is labeled as made in the USA. The heat pack doesn't have an adhesive side, so you'll need to use the included rubber band to keep it attached to the bottle. It takes about 30 minutes to heat the urine to the appropriate temperature. If you need to warm it quickly, you can use a microwave. Remove the cap before heating. Heat in 10-second intervals, checking the temperature strip each time. Stop once it reads between 90 and 100 degrees. Careful not to overheat it. Attach the flip-up spout cap securely onto the bottle. Next, activate the heat pack and secure it to the bottle using the rubber band. Secure the bottle somewhere discreet on your body. A leg strap or specialized underwear with a concealed pocket is a good option. When you're in the testing room, take out the bottle, check the temperature, ensure it's between 90 and 100 degrees, flip open the spout cap, pour the required amount of urine into the test cup, and you're good to go. Close it up, stash it away, and that's it. And once again, don't forget, I have a comprehensive review of various synthetic urine kits that are reliable and easy to use for passing a test. Check it out. The link will pop up on the screen now.